You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
We are pleased to show you the 2017 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, bucket seats, intermittent wipers, tachometer, front bucket seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.